a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tell us about yourself.
My name is Shashwat. I am 11 years old. I am studying in class 5th. My school name is PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2, Gwalior, and my hobby is to play cricket.
What do you like about your school?
Ma'am, I like it's there are many parks and there are very historical things.
Okay, you like to play. So which game do you play, Shashwat?
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay, Shashwat, if you could interview any person in this world, who would you interview?
Any.
Any person you can interview.
I will Bhagat Singh.
Acha, and what would you ask him?
About you and how do you
Okay.
I can speak in Hindi.
Oh, okay,
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 okay.
explain. No problem.
मतलब आपने इंडिया को आज़ादी कैसे दी?
अच्छा.
भगत सिंह तो आज़ादी के समय थे ही नहीं.
सर पर उनने आज़ादी में थोड़ी सहयोग तो दिया.
सहयोग किया था. वेरी गुड.
Okay, Sasha. Suppose you are in a room and that room caught fire and there is only one window and there's no way to escape from it. How would you escape it?
Ma'am, I will door.
And there's no door, there's only one window in that room. How would you save yourself?
I will call my parents.
You have nothing, you are in the middle of a fire and you have to save yourself. You're suffocating because of smoke and there's only
I
one
will
window.
open the window
Okay?
and indoor is higher or lower floor.
You are on ground floor, suppose.
So I will jump
Jump out of the window. Okay. So Sasha, tell me about your short-term goal and long-term goal.
and my short-term goal is to join RMS and long-term goal is to join armed forces.
What would happen if you could not pass this examination?
Ma'am, I will strong my academics.
You will work on your academics. Okay. Sashwa, describe yourself using 3 adjectives.
3 adjectives.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am sincere boy and I am adventurous boy and vibrant.
You are adventurous. What do you do for adventure?
I have gone to many places.
Can you name few?
And Shimla, Mathura, and Ujjain, etc.
Okay, sir. Over to you.
हेलो शाश्वत.
Yes, sir.
कौन सा सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगता है आपको?
GK.
वेरी गुड. मैथ्स कैसा लगता है?
Maths भी
अच्छा लगता है. हेमिस्फीयर क्या होता है बेटा?
half of sphere.
फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं?
मतलब एक नंबर का जो जिससे डिवाइड हो रहा है वो.
एग्जाम्पल.
जैसे
हाउ मेनी फैक्टर ऑफ 6?
6, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 6.
वेरी गुड. What is the formula of simple interest? Find out the simple interest.
Simple interest. P into R into T upon 100.
Represent of P.
Formula of P.
P means
Principal.
R for
Rate.
T for
Time.
Right. How many numbers can be repeated in Roman numbers?
Except V, L and D.
Okay. What is the difference between perimeter and area?
Perimeter are measured a boundary of a figure and area is measured inside the room or space.
Okay, well, thank you.
So Shashwat, you just telling us you are visiting many places.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any dream vacation?
Yes, sir.
What?
Dubai.
Dubai. And what would you there?
I have to see Burj Khalifa
And any other places?
and
Food, clothes.
means
What would you do there?
I will
See Burj Khalifa and
also take a safari of desert
okay and
and take a hotel also.
okay and
Bus.
okay. So, Saswat, what is the difference between adjective and adverb?
Adjective that shows. Can I speak in Hindi?
Huh?
एडजेक्टिव जो विशेषता बताता है नाउन और प्रोनाउन की और एडवर्ब क्वालिफाइज वर्ब एडजेक्टिव एंड एडवर्ब इटसेल्फ
Okay. And what is the difference between invention and discovery?
सर आई हैव नॉट
I have not.
मतलब मेरे को लगता नहीं
No. Speak in English.
आई डोंट थिंक इट्स हैव एनी डिफरेंस
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Saswat. So, how are you feeling now?
आई एम फीलिंग बेटर
So, you want to join Rashtriya Military Schools.
यस सर
So, what do you know about it?
It was built by King George Royal V, and there are 5 military schools in India: RMS Chail, RMS Dholpur, RMS Ajmer, RMS Dholpur, RMS Bangalore, and Bangalore.
And which is your favorite?
And sir, my favorite is Bangalore
And why?
because it has better climate from others.
Okay. So, Saswat, my question is that who wrote our national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
And what is the title of it?
Geetanjali.
Okay.
In book Geetanjali.
Okay. So, Saswat, what is the capital city of Meghalaya?
Meghalaya, Shillong.
Shillong. Saswat, what the recent achievement that has been accomplished by the Indian scientist?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat the question?
Yeah. Do you know any recent achievement of Indian scientist?
No, sir.
Okay. What about Mangalyaan?
Yes.
What is it?
It a spaceship that go to Mars.
And what about Chandrayaan?
3.
Yeah.
I think some things like television and these things.
So you think that Chandrayaan goes for television?
No, I can speak in Hindi.
Okay.
सर मुझे लगा कि आपने वैसे पूछा है कि मतलब अभी कोई डिस्कवरी की है जैसे किसी चीज़ की.
Oh. Okay. So, Saswat, who is your role model and why?
Sir, my role model is my father
And why?
because he inspired me to join an Indian Army and also supports me in everything.
So, which occupation your father have?
He is in Indian Air Force.
Indian Air Force. So your father serving in Indian Air Force and you are want to go and join Indian Army.
Sir, I don't tell.
You just tell me. Okay, Indian Air Force. So which branch of Indian Air Force you want to join?
Which one I get.
Which one you get? So what is the process to become an Indian Air Force officer?
First, if I select, so I will join RMS, then I prepare for NDA and then I will give examination of NDA, and if I will pass, so SSB interview conduct of me, and then we go to IMA for 1 year.
Okay.
And then
Now you are saying that you go into IMA. So IMA for Indian Army?
yes, Indian Military Academy.
Yeah. So it's for Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
So you want to join Indian Army?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which is equivalent rank in Indian Navy with the lieutenant in Indian Army?
Indian Navy,
Yeah,
sub-lieutenant.
sub-lieutenant. Which is our largest aircraft carrier?
That INS Vikrant.
INS Vikrant. What's about Vikramaditya?
I don't have idea about it.
Okay, you don't know idea about it. So, okay. Which river? No, which is the sacred river of India? The most sacred river in India?
Ganga,
Ganga. And name the three tributaries of Ganga.
Yamuna.
Yamuna.
I know only this.
Okay. What's the most famous thing about your home state?
My home state is Bihar and its famous food is litti chokha, sattu paratha, etc. and some famous places like Nalanda University, Golghar and Bodh Gaya, etc.
Okay, Saswat. Which historical figure you like most and why?
Sorry sir, could you repeat the question?
Which historical figure you like most?
What historical monument?
Not a figure like any human being, a personality. Which historical personality you like most
I like Lord Mahavira
and why?
because he was very calm and good person.
Okay. So last my question is that what is the motto of Indian Army
Service before self.
and what is the motto of Rashtriya Military School?
Sheelam Param Bhushanam. In English, character is the highest virtue.
That's all. Thank you, Saswat, for your time.